Changing a masculine noun to feminine noun. Here are some rules to see how a masculine noun is changed to a feminine noun. So while changing a masculine noun to feminine noun, we have to follow some rules. Rule number 1. By adding ESS to the masculine noun. So here masculine gender and feminine gender. So for writing the feminine gender of lion, how we can write lioness? That is, we are adding ESS with this noun. Next one, baron. So how we can write baroness? We are adding ESS with the feminine gender. So this is the first rule. So we can go through more examples. That is heir, heiress, priest, priestess, host, hostess, like this. Rule number 2. By adding ESS to the masculine noun after changing the spelling slightly. So this I will explain with one example. So here waiter, it's a masculine gender. So I want to write the feminine gender of this waiter. So for that, according to this rule, I am eliminating that E from the waiter and adding ESS like this. So waitress. Next, hunter. So how we can write the feminine gender of hunter? By eliminating E and then adding ESS. So huntress, like this. So more examples are there. You can go through it. Duke, duchess, emperor, empress, master, mistress, tiger, tigress, like this. Next is rule number 3. By changing a word before or after a compound noun. So what do you mean by a compound noun? Compound nouns are words for people, animals, places, things or ideas made up of 2 or more words. So there 2 or more words are there. So one example I will show you. For masculine gender, I am taking grandfather. So it's coming under compound noun. So its feminine gender is what? Grandmother. So we are writing the feminine gender by changing a word before or after a compound noun. So we can go through another example, fisherman. So here we can write the feminine gender of fisherman as fisherwoman. Next one, landlord. So more examples are there. You can go through it. Landlady, milkman, milkmaid, peacock, peahen, stepson, stepdaughter, like this. So these are the 3 rules we have to follow while changing a masculine noun to a feminine noun. Some masculine and feminine nouns, they do not follow any rules. So we'll see which all are they. So here, for example, nephew. Its feminine gender is what? Niece. That is, they are not following any rule. We are not adding ESS or we are not eliminating any letter and all. Here, a new word is coming. So they are not following any rules. Next one, fox. Its feminine gender is vixen. Monk, nun. More examples are there. You can go through it. Ganther, goose. Buck. What do you mean by buck? It's a male deer. Doe. It's a female deer. Colt. Colt means what? Male horse. And the female horse is filly. Ram, it's a male sheep. Eve, it's a female sheep. Wizard, which, load, lady. So these are some examples. So you have to practice this, learn the 3 rules you have to follow while changing the masculine noun to feminine noun. And this also you have to learn. They are not following any rules. Okay, so practice this very well.